Good evening. My name is Ruth Reyes, and I will be presenting to you three Web 2.0 tools, which are Life Binders, Zamzar, and PictoChart. Life Binders is a free website. You have to create an account with Life Binders. This is a website where you can organize all your documents that are important. You can make it for business, you can make it for education, or you can make it for personal. After you have created your new account with Life Binders, you're ready to start a new binder. If you will notice on the page, I have indicated with a arrow where it's pointing to the selection of a blank binder, and this is where you would press this tab. This is where you would initiate it, and also you have to give it a name. Naming your binder is extremely important. This is a binder that I actually created for this class, EDTC 6340. I also gave it a description, which is very important. The description that I gave was, this is a technology master's class. Also, you need to decide whether you want to make it public, whether you want to make it private. Once you have filled in your information, then you're ready to press on the tab that says Create New Binder. Very important also, if it's education, that means if you want to share with other teachers, or it has to do something with your work at school as a teacher, or if it's a personal binder, and all of this has to be notated and it has to be categorized so that you have all your files in order. This is a main page of binders. If you will notice, the page has a whole bunch of tabs on the top. And it's very user-friendly because anything that you have to do as far as adding a tab or adding other stuff, other folders, sub-tabs, or even moving the tabs. And once you have set up also your binders, you have to save this page. I have actually set up this page with all the different courses that I'm taking for this semester, which is EDTC 6340, EDCI 7334, EDFR 6388. I also have a folder for the school where I'm teaching, which is Berta Cavazza Middle School, and I have several assignments that I give my students. It actually comes in very handy. It has helped me to become much more organized. So this is a page that, most of the time you're going to spend a lot of your time organizing. And also, if you will notice, the page is named EDTC 6340. Of course, I have changed that to my main folders. And this is just so that I know that this is the page I need to go to continue either adding stuff, deleting, or making new folders. One of the features that I really like about this particular program is that you can also have sub-tabs for your main folders. For example, EDTC 6340, I have the calendar when all my assignments are due. I also have the Web 2.0 tools page where I can just press on that tab and go directly to the information that I need. Zamzar. Zamzar is a free program that converts files to other formats for free. If you need to expedite your work or want faster service, of course, you can always sign up for one of the three very affordable plans that Zamzar has. Step one of Zamzar, this is where you're going to go and input your URL that will be converted to a different format. If you will notice on the page, once you have chosen what page or what URL you want to convert, you're going to go ahead and put it all in there. You can even copy and paste. It's very easy, very convenient to do that. And this is the very first step that you need for Zamzar. Steps 2, 3, and 4 of Zamzar. First of all, on step number 2, this is where you're going to choose the format that you want to convert your URL address. You can either do an image format, you can do a document format, music format, video format, ebook format, compressed format, or a video preset. And then once you're done with choosing your format, you're going to go on to step number 3, which is very important. You have to enter a valid email address where you want to receive your converted file. This is where it's going to go. And if you will notice on step number 4, you're going to get the message once you're gonna press convert and get this message. This is when it has already been sent to your email address. These are the final stages of Zamzar. Zamzar is actually gonna put a message on their main page, and what it's going to say is that the conversion is complete. So this is so wonderful. This is what's so wonderful about this program. It's actually going to tell you when the file upload has been completed. Also, once you log into your email, you will get a message to update your account, which you see on this page, and the link right below to open your new converted file. Once you press on that link, then you're going to have your final copy of your converted file. This is my final copy of the Zamzar URL page that I put in. I converted a PDF file to Word. And even though it seemed like the process was going to take long, it took probably about 5 minutes to get all of this done, to get my final copy to a Word document, which is great. Because at the very beginning, it said if you wanted to expedite for your file to go into a different format, you have to buy one of the 3 plans. But I can tell you that in less than 5 minutes, I got my finished copy, and I was very, very happy. It has become really, it's been so wonderful to use even in the classroom. You can even go to Yahoo and do a Word, convert it to Word, and delete a lot of stuff that you want out of Yahoo and that you want to present maybe to your students, an article or even videos. This is very good to use in the classroom. PictoChart. This is a free program that can be used to make banners, posters, either for educational or personal use. The only requirement is to sign up for free to have access to different templates. This is an extremely fun program for students to use. This is a page that will open once you have signed in successfully. If you will notice on the top, this is a toolbar that allows you to select if you want to start a new template. If you want to see your saved PictoCharts, also feature PictoCharts. Towards the middle of the page, you will see where you have to select the infographic format that you would like to use. So you have to press infographic to start your new project. This is a page that has a few templates that are in PictoChart, and these are just a few. Usually when I give my students an assignment and there is no particular template that corresponds to that topic, I usually just have them create your own infographic. Okay, this is where the fun starts. We are going to create our PictoChart, our infographic. The very first tab that you will notice on the far left-hand side is the Graphics tab. And this one has several features that helps your assignment have creative shapes, lines, icons, and photos. The next tab is your Uploads tab, and this one is very important because this is where you're going to load your pictures. You can actually do it from the internet if you have a picture file from your desktop. The only thing about this particular program is that you can only upload 20 images for one particular file. The Background tab allows you to choose one of the backgrounds that is part of the template, or you can also choose to change the color of the background by going to the Color tab on that same screen. The Text tab allows you to type information pertinent to your work and also choose different styles of text. The Tools tab allows charts, maps, and videos to be uploaded. Once you have created your PictoChart or your infographic, you need to press on the Saved tab, which is on the top, so that you can save your artwork. This is my finished artwork that 2 colleagues and myself actually prepared for a master's degree class. It was a lot of fun. It was very informative. It was also very engaging. I have also used this particular program, PictoChart, with my students during Thanksgiving. And I must say that I was very surprised by their creativity and just the learning process of them having to look for the information. in the internet, reading books, to be able to input that information along with their pictures and their artwork. It was phenomenal. It was a lot of fun for them. It was a great learning experience.